Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a couple of project shares I'd like to share with you all. It's a Valentine's Day theme project share. So I've made this one here. I'll start with this one. I made a shaker tag using one of my dies, and this is the die here, and it says lovely. I thought I had the die here with me to show you, but I haven't got it. But I will put the link down below where you can purchase this die shape. And then I just added some sequins on the inside. I punched a heart shape to create a hole for the tag so I can add this tool to the top. And then I just embellished it with some of my bits and pieces that I have in my stash, and some enamel dot and a paper flower. So this is just a fun little Valentine's Day project. I also made a double heart loaded pocket as well, and that also used a heart die shape, which I'll show you in just a second. I just thought I'd show you the inside of this pocket as well. It's another just a little fun project for Valentine's Day. So I've made this little front pocket here. I embellished the front. I added some washi samples to the pocket. So in the front pocket, I've just added some ephemeras in there and some cut aparts from some of my paper pads. This is just a cute, some bunny stickers and just a cut apart. So that's your front pocket on the front here, and that's where I've just punched a hole on the larger side of the pocket to create these cute little washi sample to dangle on out of the pocket. And on the inside of the larger heart pocket, I had made a little note card. I've also got in here, I packed in some, let's get this out, so I packed some ephemeras in there that you can just cut yourself and package that as well. Some more cut aparts. I just used a brad to keep these together. Some cute little doilies that I also packed in some clear self-seal bags. Just a simple happy Valentine's Day card, or tag, sorry. And this is just a embellished flag banner that I'd made as well. And so this is how the pocket looks like. So that's the front pocket and that's the inside. So for me to make this cute little loaded pocket, I just used this die set here. You get 10 in the die set, and I used the larger size heart shape, and then I also used the fifth one down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is this one. So I used these two heart shapes to make the pocket. And what I'd done here was I cut two of these large ones. So that's the large. I cut two of those out, and then I just cut the smaller size, and I just cut one of those. And then all I simply had done was I just used some glue, and all I did was I just applied glue to the edge of the heart die, but just about halfway on one side, and then again halfway on the other side, about to there. That way you've got a nice opening to add your goodies in. And then I just sandwiched that with the other large heart, just like that, and just sort of line it all up. So your glue would only come up to there and up to there, and so then when you open up your top, you'll have that opening and it'll only stop to there. And then with the other heart, I've done the same thing. I just applied glue just halfway to the side as well, just like that, and then again just about halfway to there. I'll place that on the front, and that just creates your front pocket, and then you'll be able to have an opening on the inside. And that really all I did to make my loaded pocket, heart loaded pocket. So you will get your, well, once your glue dries, that will be your top pocket up here in there, and then you'll have your front one in the front here. And that's all I did to make this heart shape double pocket. And I just wanted to share with you my Valentine's Day theme project for this year. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.